Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in this video, I am going to show you how do you get AI Manga Filter on TikTok. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Okay, so first here, let's go ahead and open up TikTok. Now, from here, you want to search on AI Manga. Now here, this is what we want to use. Let's tap on this one. And from here, tap on use this effect. Now here, you can take a picture or upload from your gallery. So I will just upload a picture from here. Let's use this one. And there we have it. So this is how you get AI Manga Filter on TikTok. So thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.